slice an egg on it.
Good morning.
Put another roll of scotch tape
So,
on the pointed spout of the egg.
I dropped Logan off at school. I have to go get him in a half hour. Basically, I have to get dressed again in a half hour and then go get him by 11:30. So, it's 10:30 now. I have a huge announcement though. So, over the last week, I've been thinking about taking a course in energy healing, Reiki, and intuitive coach. So the first one is energy healing, which I'm taking in January. Then after that, I'm doing the intuitive coach, and then the last one is Reiki. I'm going to have 3 certificates, so I'll be a professional. And I'm just so excited because, first of all, as soon as I healed myself, I knew that I needed to heal other people. I've known I've had to heal people since a very young age. I just didn't know how I was going to do it. I thought being a therapist would help, but I kind of squashed that by getting kicked out of school. And then when I tried to go back to school to get the credits I needed to take a university course in psychology, I got called to other things. Then I tried again when I was 23, and I took a community service worker course so that I could at least be a counselor, and that didn't work out either. I got pregnant, and then I thought I could help people with health care or life insurance or any kind of insurance. So I took a course to get my life license, and that didn't work. Then I thought I could help people by selling weight loss products and overall health products, which I still believe that those things are really good, because the company that I'm with, It Works, has amazing products that helped me. And I was like near 250 pounds, and now I'm 157-ish pounds. So it helped me a lot, those products. But as soon as I started feeling like I need to do more, like there's got to be something more out there that I can do. And I've watched my friend Val for the last, I think it's been 3 years now, since 2016, go into her blossoming of beautiful healing work, and I wanted to do the same thing. So I thought about it, and as soon as I healed my anxiety and panic attacks and started eating solids again, I'm eating solids again, guys. I'm on full on solids. Tonight I'm having a slice of vegan pizza tonight. Johnny's getting it for me. I haven't had pizza in so long. And he's getting me a vegan pizza so I don't have cosmic karma. Isn't that sweet? And he's buying me vegan coffee. And a whole bunch of stuff so that I don't have to eat meat, dairy, or subject myself to all those weird poisons. He's gonna buy me the things I need. Organic. I can't eat too many things. Like I can't eat lettuce still. I have to practice. I can't eat bell peppers. I have to practice. I can only eat soft things like cooked carrots, potatoes, avocado, tomato, spinach. If it's cooked, I can eat it. Tofu because it's soft. What else? Whole wheat bread, which I'm moving up to ancient grains next week. Yeah, I'm moving up. And then I need to try to get into oats and quinoa. I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's something really healthy. And also I'm going to try to get into hemp hearts and tons of healthy things. And I'm just really excited about my journey because I healed myself, you guys. No therapist helped me. I did it all myself. Before my surgery, I was stuck on medication. After my surgery, I got off. And I healed myself through meditation, chakra work, crystal work. I worked with crystals, my chakras, and my mind every single day. And I still have to do it every single day. Because if I miss a day, I feel like unbalanced. I need to do it every day. And I've been doing it consecutively every single day since my surgery. And here I am eating solids again. It's just so amazing, you guys. You guys don't even know. I've given myself a new life. I feel like I was born again. Well, technically I was. During this ascension period and the 1111 portal, I have been born again. And I'm completely different biologically, molecularly, cellularly. You know what I mean. I can't pronounce it. We'll just say like the smallest particles, atoms. I'm completely different. Biologically speaking, I'm different. I feel different. I think I even look different from the way I saw myself before compared to now. Completely different. I don't see myself the same. Actually, I see myself, since I saw my higher self, I see myself as her. I see my higher self when I look in the mirror. And I think that's weird and awesome because I felt she was so beautiful. Like, I was just awe-stricken when I saw her. And she was bathed in a golden light. I could barely see her, like, human form except for her head and her hair. I could just see that. Everything else was like a golden light. She was beautiful. That's how I see myself currently. Next thing I have to do is find vegan shampoo and conditioner, if there's even such a thing. Because the fragrance in the shampoo I'm currently using, argan oil shampoo, apparently the fragrance in it is made up of chemicals that can cause cancer in the brain. So, kind of don't want to be using that. I'm detoxing from all of the heavy metals. I'm getting cilantro. And I'm going to be putting it in some of my vegan wraps that I'm going to be making this weekend. I'm going to eat a vegan wrap. The only reason I haven't been posting pictures of the food that I've been eating is the fact that I feel like it'll put too much pressure on me to eat. So I'm trying not to pressure myself. I'm literally working little by little with myself and letting it gradually just move in there. You know what I mean? I've been really patient with myself for the past 4 months since I found out, 3 months since I found out that I can actually eat solids again. I've been very patient with myself the last 3 months. And I don't want to lose that momentum. It took me 3 months working, well, technically it took me 1 month because from October 10th after my surgery to this month, I've actually started eating full-on solids. I have an ensure when Johnny's not here until I can get my plant fusion today. I can't. I'm doing something. I'll look after, okay?
I can't put my drink on.
Oh, you kiss. Just pull it on. Like that. There. I don't know why he can't do things himself. He's almost 4. Anyway. Oh yes, plant fusion. Until I can get plant fusion, I have 1 Ensure left, and then I'm not buying it anymore. I'm gonna go get plant fusion from Walmart because it's the only place that has it. And then I'm getting Bliss almond milk because it's the most natural almond milk. And then I'm grabbing, I forgot what it's called. I have the screenshot in my phone for my coffee. Getting that. Then I'm also doing, I forgot to tell you, today I'm doing the care nests with the nuts for the squirrels and the bird feed for the birds. So it's going to be like a whole bunch of bird seeds, like seeds. It's basically seeds. Then what I'm doing is for like raccoons and stuff, I'm going to be cutting a hole in the pumpkin that's outside currently. The big one that I bought for Halloween. I'm going to be cutting a big hole and I'm putting it in the garden so that they can come and grab the stuff from inside and eat it. Yep, and I'm also going to get, next week when I get paid, I'm going to be getting more fruits and stuff for the raccoons. I can't wait. I feel so good. And then in the spring, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be making a care nest so that they can come and get yarn and stuff from it. Different types of yarn so that their nests are nice and warm. I can do it now, can't I? I think I can. I'll buy some yarn today and I'll put it in a basket and they can come and get it. I'll hang it up on the hooks that are outside on the porch. So that's my day so far. And today is raining, so I don't think that there will be any messages or channelings today, so I get a nice little break. I can't wait to have a slice of vegan pizza, you guys. I can't wait. I'm having it for dinner. And so that's basically it. Just wanted to give you that update. And I think I have to go and get ready again to get Logan. Hold on. No, I have 20 minutes. Good. I want to rest for a bit. I have to rest and I gotta get Lucas dressed. I gotta get dressed again. Then I gotta go get Logan. Then we're coming home and I said no tablets and no TV because we're gonna do a meditation. And we're gonna dance for a little bit so we get a little exercise. Then it's lunch. And then they can do whatever they want after that. Because I'm going to be probably reading or listening to some empowerment videos for my journey. Learning. That's what I do every day. And then work on my chakras and meditation. So, just want to let you guys know the amazing news of what's going to be happening in 2019. It's going to be an amazing year. Super excited. Alright, I'll be back later with another beautiful video. Love y'all. Victory to the light. Love and light. Namaste. Mwah.